Hi, I'm Martin, and this is the Cognite Scoop, a 3-minute update on the most interesting and excited tech news from the Cognite team every month. The big news for August 2019 is the release of the Cognite API version 1. All new users will be using this from the get-go, and all existing users can upgrade their pre-existing versions. Our customers use the Cognite API to access our core product, Cognite Data Fusion, or CDF. CDF contextualizes industrial data and structures it to create a foundational digital twin of a company's industrial reality. That sounds very complex, but what it basically means is that we take all the industrial data, we connect it together to try and mirror the real world as good as we can. You can read a lot more about Cognite Data Fusion on our website. For now, all you need to know is that the Cognite API is the entry point that analysts and developers need to create machine learning models or web applications on top of CDF. Cognite API v1 creates a more stable and dependable integration towards CDF. You can begin using the Cognite API v1 as of August 1st, and documentation for migration is available at the link in the video description below. Here are some of the most important changes to Cognite API v1. We're introducing an external ID field that's available across multiple core resources, time series, assets, events, and files. The external ID field lets you declare your own unique identifier for each data object in CDF. This means keeping source systems in CDF is becoming a lot easier. We're also introducing a new 3D API. This allows you to create and maintain multiple revisions of a model in CDF. Currently, we support FBX format, but more CAD formats will be added pretty soon. With this release, we're excited to introduce a new versioning scheme for the API. We will only be using major versions for our API now, so v1 and v2. And API 0.3 and 0.4 will be phased out in November, whereas 0.5 will be phased out by next year. So get your updates soon. That's the big news from us this month. We hope you'll take a minute to leave a comment and let us know how this video helped. We're also interested in knowing what you would like to see on this segment moving forward. Make sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss a Cognite Scoop. See you next month.